Hi. Wanted to take a minute to tell everyone that has been wondering about booking appointments with me and curious about why I don't have online booking services. So, first of all, I wanted to thank everyone that has just, sent me the text, sent me the email, done it how I've requested. Thank you. Thank you for that. Now, the reason I don't is because in my 30 years of experience with being in a hands-on profession, it started out that you could only phone me anyway. So that's number one. I'm kind of used to that. Number two, I really started noticing a difference of people that would book an appointment online and then just not turn up. I don't appreciate that at all. So it really helps with that. And I also have problems with, and I'm just, I have more problems with men being inappropriate with that. And it's a way to help keep myself safe from instances like that happening. Now, to be fair, I will just say, as a side note, the creepiest experience I've ever had did happen with a woman, but that's beside the point. I'm not saying anything bad about men or women or anything like that. It is just a personal safety issue for me. And this is how I choose to not weed people out, but I guess kind of weeding people out, but keeping it so that I'm safe. So that's why. Anyone that is doing anything online or anything like that, you can just buy your skincare products. You can take the test. It's not a test. What the heck is it? It kind of it helps guide you through what are your best skincare products and anything else online. My online classes, you can take those. I it keeps me out of the loop with it because they're already done for you, and I don't have that safety issue for myself to consider. Okay, so bottom line, thank you. If you are wanting to book appointments, you may send me a text, but you have to tell me your name. You have to tell me where you found information out. You have to describe what you're wanting as well. You can also send me an email, and the same thing. Just put in the header there what you're wanting. Make sure that it looks like you're a real person and that I'm going to be safe. That's it. So do that, or you can also just phone. Most people don't phone. I only get spam. So even on the phone anymore, if your number is out of state and I don't recognize it, I tend to let it go to voicemail. So you have to leave me a message. I will get back with you. I am not one of those people anymore that does not reply to messages. So you have to leave me a message. I will reply, and then all's good. I'm safe, you're getting the care that you need, and that's it. All right. Thanks for being a part of my holistic beauty, my holistic wellness, all of the things that I love helping you, guiding you in life, all of that. So thank you. I look forward to talking with you soon. Have a good one. Bye.